This is InsideInvestmentBanking.com, the place where you can find every secret you need to break into banking. The top 50 interview questions you need to know. Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to do investment banking? Why not sales and trading or management consulting or law? Are you interviewing with any other banks or do you have offers? Are you interviewing with any other banks or do you have offers? Would you accept an offer if I gave it to you right now? What's your favorite book or business identity or celebrity? Why did you attend Harvard or wherever you went to school? Make me laugh. Why did you choose to study finance or your degree or major of choice? Tell me about your favorite and least favorite units at college. Tell me about your time working for PwC or your previous work experience. What do you like to do in your spare time for fun? Where do you see yourself in 3, 5, 10 years' time? How would your friends or parents or colleagues describe you? Tell me about your football team, anything listed on your resume. What's the one thing you want me to know that's not on your resume? Tell me something about you that makes you interesting. What would motivate you to keep coming back to work after 100-hour weeks, missed birthdays, and no social life? Why should we take you on? Why do you want a job at Goldman Sachs? What do you know about our bank? Which group do you want to work in if you had the choice? What is our stock price, ticker, league ranking, biggest deal, CEO, group head, address, cafeteria's daily special, color of carpet without looking down? Who do you know here or have you met? What recent deals have interested you? What do you expect to do here as a summer intern or analyst? What do investment banks do? What qualities do you think are important to be a successful analyst? What are your predictions for the market this year? If I gave you $100,000 right now, what would you do with it? Do you own any stocks? Why would Apple want to buy Guy Kawasaki Incorporated? Tell me about your 3 main strengths. Tell me about a weakness. Tell me about a time you were involved in a team. Tell me about a time you led a group of people. Tell me about a time when you really worked hard. Tell me about a time you failed. How many 100-slide pitch books would fit in my $1 million Learjet, kid? You see my Patek Wunderbar, Philippe? What's the degree of angle between the big hand and the small one, kid? Oh, and if I had a couple chickens and a fox, how would I get them across the river? Know the sum of 1 minus 500? Etc., etc. What are and how do the CF, BS, and IS link to each other? What financial statement is king if you can only pick one? What happens to the 3 financial statements when we change this line item? What is DCF, and can you walk me through one? What are the pros and cons of DCF? What are the other 2 valuation methodologies, and what are their pros and cons? This has been another InsideInvestmentBanking.com presentation.